So as you can see, it's been running down there for quite a while because it's literally knocked off all the plaster. And then here, that's the chipboard, and how easy the screwdriver goes through. It's completely set there. And then because it's been running down, see underneath the tiles where the water's just been hitting the edge and running under. That's why you've got all that. The floor's a little bit spongy here, a bit of a bounce. And then you've got that. Like Linda says, you've got damp in here because there's not really any ventilation. So I'm going to leave this door open just so it's able to vent. But it might be due to water getting underneath the floor and finding its way over here.